राम राम सारियां आज अपने हॉस्टल वार्डन एग्ज़ाम 2025 के लिए कंप्यूटर नॉलेज ऑफ आईसीटी का अपना टॉपिक है कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर। तो अगर आपको पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे आज। सॉफ्टवेयर इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम्स एंड related data that provide the instruction for telling a computer what to do and how to do. A software is an interface between the user and the computer hardware. It is responsible for controlling, integrating, and managing the hardware components of a computer system and for accomplishing a specific task. Types of software. Software can be divided into two major categories. First, system software. Second, application software. System software. It consists of several programs which are directly responsible for controlling, integrating, and managing the individual hardware components of a computer system. System software also provides the interface between the user and components of the computer. Depending on the functionality, the system software can be further divided into following categories. First, operating software. It consists of programs which control, coordinate, and supervise the activity of the various components of a computer system. Its function is to provide a link between the computer hardware and the user. It provides an environment to run the programs, for example, MS DOS, Windows XP 2000, Windows XP or Windows 2000 and Windows 98, Unix or Linux, etc. The operating system performs the following functions. First, it recognizes input from keyboard, sends output to the display screen. Second, it makes sure that programs running at the same time do not interfere with each other. Third, it is also responsible for security, ensuring that unauthorized users do not access the system. BIOS, BIOS, the basic input-output system. BIOS is commonly known as a system basic input-output system. The basic input-output system controls various electronic components within the main computer system. The initial function of the basic input-output system is to initial, ini- initialize system devices such as the RAM, hard disk, CD, DVD drive, video display card, and other hardwares. Second, device drivers, a software which is written with the objective of making a device functional when it is connected to the computer is called a device driver. It is a system software that acts like an interface between the device and the user. Every device, whether it is a printer, monitor, mouse, or keyboard, has a driver program associated with it for its proper functioning. Third, language translator. It helps in converting programming languages to machine language. The translated program is called object code. There are three different kinds of language translators: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Linker linker. It is a system program that links together several object modules and libraries to form a single and coherent program executable. The main purpose of linker is to resolve references among files. Linker is used to determine the memory locations that could from each module will occupy and relates its instruction by adjusting absolute reference loader. It is a kind of a system software which is responsible for loading and relocation of the executable program in the main memory. It is a part of an operating system that brings an executable file residing on a disk into memory and starts its execution process. Application software. It is a computer software designed to help the user to perform single or multiple tasks. It is a set of instructions or programs designed for specific usage or applications that enable the user to interact with a computer. Application softwares are called application softwares are also called the end user programs. These programs do not real work for users. There are two types of application software. General purpose software. These softwares are those softwares which are used for any general purpose. They allow people to do simple computer tasks. Some of the general purpose software are as follows. First, word processing software. A word processor is a software program capable of creating, storing, and printing of documents. Word processors have the ability to create a document and make changes anywhere in the document. Today, the word processor is one of the most frequently used programs or online services used in a computer system. For example, Microsoft Word Perfect, Windows only, Apple Works, Mac only, OpenOffice.org, Writer, etc. Second, electronic spreadsheets. Spreadsheets application, sometimes referred to simply as spreadsheets, are the computer programs that accept data in a tabular form and allow you to create and manipulate spreadsheets electronically. The relationship between cells are called formulas and the names of the cells are called labels. For example, Microsoft Excel, Corel, Quattro, Pro, Lotus 123, OpenOffice.org, Calc, etc. Third, presentation software. Presentation is the practice of showing and explaining the contents of a topic to an audience or a learner visually. People in a variety of settings and situations use presentation software to make their presentations more interesting and professional. For example, Microsoft PowerPoint, Corel presentations, Lotus freelance graphics, OpenOffice.org, Impress, etc. Fourth, database management system DBMS. A DBMS refers to the software that is responsible for sorting, maintaining, and utilizing a database. It enables a user to define, create, and maintain the database and provide controlled access on it. For example, Microsoft Access, Corel, Paradox, MySQL, OpenOffice.org, Base, etc. Fifth, desktop publishing DTP software. It is a tool for graphic designers and non-designers to create visual communications for professional or desktop printing as well as for online or on-screen electronic publishing. For example, Quark, Express, Adobe PageMaker, 3B2, Corel Draw, Corel Ventura, Illustrator, etc. Sixth, graphics software, image editing. It is an application, program, or a collection of programs that enables a person to manipulate visual images on a computer system. Most graphics softwares have the ability to import and export one or more graphics file formats. For example, DirectX, Adobe Photoshop, PyJap, Microsoft Publisher, Picasa, etc. Next, seventh, multimedia software. Multimedia includes a combination of text, audio, still images, animation, video, or interactivity. Contents forms, for example, Macromedia Plus, Gillis, Gillisoft video converter, VLC media player, Nimbus, etc. Specific purpose software. These softwares are designed to perform specific tasks. This type of application software generally has one purpose to execute. Some of the specific purpose application software are described below. First, inventory management system and purchasing system. Inventory is a list of goods and materials available on a stock. Inventory management system is generally used in departmental stores or in an organization to keep the records of the stock of all the physical resources. For example, Fish Bowl, Advance Pro, etc. Second, payroll management system. It is used by all modern organizations to encompass every employee of the organization who receives regular wages or other compensation. For example, namely uh, Altipro, etc. Third, hotel management system. It refers to the management techniques used in the hotel sector. These are include hotel. These are include hotel administration, accounts, billing, marketing, housekeeping, front office, or front desk. For example, Dijubo, Dijubo, uh, Atitya, Atitya, HMS, hotel logi, hotel logics, PMS, etc. For the reservation system, a reservation system or central reservation system CRS is a computerized system used to store and retrieve information and conduct transactions related to air travel, hotels, car rental, or other activities. Today, number of websites like www.yatra.com, www.makemytrips.com provide online booking for tourists. Next, fifth, report card generator. It is an application software which is commonly used in schools by the examination department to prepare and generate the report cards of the students. Next, sixth, accounting software. It is an application software that records and processes accounting transactions within functional modules such as accounts payable, accounts receivable, payroll, and trial balance. For example, Tally, ERP9, HDPOS, uh, MARG, MARG, Profit Book, etc. Next, seventh, billing system. It refers to the software that is used to perform the billing process. It handles the tracking of labeled products and services delivered to a customer or set of customers. For example, billing manager, billing tracker, key billing, etc. System utilities. These programs performs tasks related to the maintenance of the computer system. And these are the packages which are loaded into computer during time of installation of operating system. They are used to support, enhance, expand, and secure existing programs and data in the computer system. System utility mainly consists of the following functions. First, disk compression. It increases the amount of information that can be stored on a hard disk by compressing all information stored on a hard disk. For example, disk doubler, superstore pro, double disk gold, etc. Second, disk fragmenter. It detects computer files whose contents are broken across several locations on the hard disk and moves the fragments to the uh, move moves the fragments to one location to increase efficiency. It can be used to rearrange files and unused space on your hard disk. For example, my defrag disk 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 keeper defrag defragler, etc. Next, third, backup utilities. It can make a copy of all information stored on a disk and restore either the entire disk or selected files. Fourth, disk cleaners. It is used to find files that have not been used for a long time. This utility also serves to increase the speed of a slow computer. For example, bleach bit cleaner, etc. Next, antivirus. It is the utility which is used to scan computer for viruses and prevent the computer systems files from being corrupt. For example, Casper Sky, AVG, um, McAfee, or Aviera, etc. Next, sixth, text editor. It is a program that facilitates the creation and correction of text. A text editor supports special commands for text editing. For example, you can write, delete, find, and replace words, lines, paragraphs, etc. For example, MS Word, Word, WordPad, or Notepad, etc., in which Notepad is the most popular text editor. Next, Titbits. Adobe PageMaker is a typesetting tool formerly widely used for desktop publishing. Next, fully backup contains a copy of every program data and system file on a computer. Next, firmware is a combination of software and hardware. For example, ROMs, P-ROMs, and EPROMs. Next, freeware is commonly used for copyrighted software that is given away for free by its owner. Next, CAD, computer aided design. Software is used by architects, engineers, drafters, and other to create precision drawings. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बैंक पे आ चुके हैं. Question first. The term used to describe the intangible instructions that tell the computer what to do is first hardware, second software, third storage, fourth input output, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second, software. Next, software refers to first the physical components that a computer is made of, second firmware, third programs, fourth peopleware, fifth none of these. The correct answer is 3 programs. Next, which of the following is software? First keyboard, second internet explorer, third scanner, fifth mouse, fourth mouse, fifth printer. The correct answer is second internet explorer. Next question. The primary purpose of software is to turn data into first information, second programs, third objects, fourth charts, fifth websites. The correct answer is first informations. Next, computer software is first used only for output, second a computer peripheral. Third, used for input. Fourth, a set of instructions. Fifth, used only in operating system. The correct answer is fourth, a set of instructions. Next, the steps and tasks needed to process data, such as responses to questions or clicking an icon, are called first instructions, second the operating system, third application software, fourth the system unit. The correct answer is first instructions. Next question. The the two broad categories of software are first word processing and spreadsheet, second transaction and application, third window and Mac OS, Mac operating system, fourth system and application. The correct answer is fourth system and application. Next question. System software first allows the user to diagnose and troubleshoot the device. Second, it is a programming language. Third, it is a part of productivity suite. Fourth, it is an optional form of software. Fifth, helps the computer manage internal resources. The correct answer is fifth, help the system software is help the computer manage internal resources. Next question. The programs designed to govern the computer hardware system are called the first system software, second application software, third utility software, fourth all of these. The correct answer is first system software. Next, a collection of various programs that helps control your computer is called first system software, second application software, third Microsoft Excel, fourth Microsoft Word, fifth Microsoft Outlook. The correct answer is first system software. Next question. This type of software works with end users, application software and computer hardware to handle the majority of technical details. First, communication software, second, application software, third, utility software, fourth, system software, fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is fourth, system software. Next, it is the set of programs that enables your computer's hardware device and application software to work together. First management, second processing, third utility, fourth system software, fifth none of these. The correct answer is fourth system software. Next, a DAS is a software that helps a computer control to operate efficiently and keep a track of data. First, application system, second, hardware system, third, software system, fourth, operating system. The correct answer is fourth, operating system. Next, a computer cannot boot if it does not have the first compiler, second loader, third operating system, fourth assembler, fifth none of these. The correct answer is third operating system. Next question. The DAS tells the computer how to use its components. First utility, second application, third operating system, fourth network, fifth none of these. The correct answer is third operating system. Next question. Operating system is first application software, second system software, third hardware, fourth language. The correct answer is second system software. Next, the DAS manual tells you how to use a software program. First documentation, second programming, third user, fourth technical, fifth designer. The correct answer is third user. Next, what does the acronym BIOS stands for? First basic input output system, second basic internal output system, third basic inner output system, fourth basic input output systemization, and fifth basic input output system. The correct answer is the fifth basic input output system. Next question. DAS includes boot, firmware and power management. First CD-ROM, second internal busage, third BIOS, fourth chipset, fifth RAM. The correct answer is third, BIOS, yani basic input output system. Next question. In order for a peripheral to operate correctly, its dash must be installed. First, device driver. Second, user interface. Third, internet connection. Fourth, operating system. The correct answer is first, device driver. Next, which of the following is a system software? First, database programs. Second, word processor. Third, spreadsheets. Fourth, device drivers. The correct answer is fourth, device drivers. Next question. Dash helps the converting programming language to machine language. First, operating system. Second, device driver. Third, language translator. Fourth, linker. The correct answer is third, language translator. Next question. A linker program first places places the program in the memory for the purpose of execution. Second, relocates the program to execute from the specific memory area allocated to it. Third, links the program with other programs needed for its execution. Fourth, interfaces the program with the entities generating its input data. The correct answer is third, links the program with other programs needed for its execution. Next question. The main purpose of dash is to resolve reference among files. First, text editor. Second, loader. Third, antivirus. Fourth, linker. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, linker. Next, which of the following system software resides in memory always? First, text editor. Second, assembler. Third, linker. Fourth, loader. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, loader. Next, a kind of a system software which is responsible for loading and relocating of the executable program in the main memory. First, loader. Second, linker. Third, translator. Fourth, presentation software. The correct answer is first, loader. Next, a specialized program that allows a user to utilize in a specific application is classified as first, relative program. Second, application program. Third, appropriate program. Fourth, replicate program. Fifth, logical program. The correct answer is second, application program. Next, dash is a software which is used to do a particular task. First, operating system. Second, program. Third, data software. Fourth, data. Fifth, application software. The correct answer is fifth, application software. Next, software designed for a specific purpose. Applications such as pay calculations, processing of examination result, etc. are known as first, utility software. Second, system software. Third, application software. Fourth, customized software. The correct answer is third, application software. Next, application software. First, is used to control the operating system. Second, is designed to help programs. Third, perform specific tasks for computer users. Fourth, is used for making design only. Fifth, all of the above. The correct answer is third, is used for making design only. Next question. The software that is used to create text-based documents are referred to as dash. First, DBMS. Second, suites. Third, spreadsheets. Fourth, presentation software. Fifth, word processor. The correct answer is fifth, word processor. Next, which of the following general purpose software allows you to do mathematical or financial calculations? First, word processing program. Second, spreadsheet program. Third, presentation program. Fourth, database program. The correct answer is second, spreadsheet program. Next question. Spreadsheet software is used first to keep a simple company accounts. Second, calculate employee commission payments. Third, as a simple stock control system. Fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is fourth, all of the above. Next question. Which software is used to create presentations to show to customers or staff members? First, report generation. Second, graph generator. Third, presentation software. Fourth, picture generator. The correct answer is third, presentation software. Next question. Database software is used to first discard sales records. Second, store contacts list. Third, keep customer records. Fourth, generate reports. The correct answer is third, keep customer records. Next, DTP is a tool for graphic designers and non-designers to create visual communication for professional. DTP stands for first, device transfer protocol. Second, desktop publishing. Third, device transfer programs. Fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is second, desktop publishing. Next, Core Ventura, Corel, Ventura, Illustrator are the example of first, word processing. Second, graphic. Third, multimedia. Fourth, spreadsheet. Fifth, DTP. The correct answer is fifth, DTP. Next question. DirectX is a first, computer part. Second, a user interface. Third, operating system. Fourth, software that drives graphic software. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is fourth, software that drives graphic software. Next, which among the following is not an example of a system software? First, operating system. Second, debugger. Third, software driver. Fourth, Adobe Photoshop. The correct answer is fourth, Adobe Photoshop. Next, which application software is used for a special purpose? First, general purpose software. Second, special purpose software. Third, important software. Fourth, system software. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, special purpose software. Next, which types of software is used in organizations to keep a track of products in stocks? First, enterprise resource planning, ERP software. Second, payroll software. Third, human resource planning software. Fourth, accounting software. Fifth, inventory management software. The correct answer is fifth, inventory management software. Next, a software program that adds functionality to your computer or help your computer perform better is called as first, utility program. Second, function program. Third, specialized program. Fourth, manufacturer program. Fifth, compiling program. The correct answer is first, utility program. Next, which of the following techniques can be used to store a large number of files in a small amount of storage space? First, file adjustment. Second, file copying. Third, file compatibility. Fourth, file compression. The correct answer is fourth, file compression. Next, what type of software creates a smaller file that is faster to transfer over the internet? First, compression. Second, fragmentation. Third, unzipped. Fourth, abstraction. Fifth, encapsulation. The correct answer is first, compression. Next question. Dash is a window utility program that locates and eliminates unnecessary fragments and rearranges files and unused to disk space to optimize operations. First, backup. Second, disk cleanup. Third, disk fragmenter. Fourth, restore. Fifth, disk restorer. The correct answer is third, disk defragmenter. Next question. Dash is a window utility program that locates and eliminates unnecessary fragments and rearranges files and unused to disk space to optimize operations. First, backup. Second, disk cleanup. Third, disk fragmenter. Fourth, restore. Fifth, disk restorer. The correct answer is third, disk defragmenter. Next question. When files are broken up into small parts on a disk, they are said to be first fragmented, second contiguous, third sectored, fourth dispersed. The correct answer is first fragmented. Next question. It can make copies of all information stored on a disk or either store the entire disk. First, restore utility. Second, disk cleaner. Third, backup software. Fourth, defragmenter. The correct answer is third, backup software. Next question. What is backup? First, connect his network to more component. Second, copy to save data from original source to other destination. Third, filter or old data from new data. Fourth, access data from tape. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, copy to save data from original source to other destination. Next question. O or N dash backup contains a copy of every program data and system file on a computer. First, restoration. Second, boot bootstrap. Third, differential. Fourth, full. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, full. Next question. Disk cleaner helps to free first data. Second, recycle bin. Third, spacage. Fourth, information. The correct answer is third, spacage. Space. Next question. They can find files that are unnecessary to computer operation to take up considerable amounts of space. First, antivirus. Second, sweep. Third, disk cleaner. Fourth, disk formatting. The correct answer is third, disk cleaner. Next question. Which of the following windows utilizes which next question. Which of the following windows utilities erase unneeded files? First, backup or restore wizard. Second, disk cleanup. Third, disk fragmenter. Fourth, antivirus. The correct answer is second, disk cleanup. Next question. Text editor is A or N. First, application software. Second, system software. Third, utility software. Fourth, all purpose software. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is third, utility software. Next question. Which of the following is not related to a utility software? First, text editor. Second, antivirus program. Third, disk compression software. Fourth, railway reservation system. The correct answer is fourth, railway reservation system. Next question. Utility programs include first, antivirus scanning software. Second, backup software. Third, disk fragmenter. Fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is for all of the above. Next question. Which of the following is an example of a utility software? First, text editor. Second, backup utility. Third, compression utility. Fourth, disk fragmenter. Fifth, all of above. The correct answer is fifth, all of these. Next question. Which of the following is not related to an application software? First, word processor. Second, DBMS. Third, operating system. Fourth, railway reservation system. The correct answer is third, operating system. Next question. Dash disk encryption is a technology, hardware or software where data is encrypted before storage. First half, second whole, third double, fourth triple. The correct answer is second whole. Whole disk encryption is a technology, hardware or software where data is encrypted before storage. Next question. Dash means that their source code is not available. First, fireware. Second, freeware. Third, pre-fall. Fourth, firmware. The correct answer is second, freeware. Freeware means that their source code is not available. Next question. In computer technology, CAD stands for first, computer applied design. Second, computer algorithm and design. Third, computer application design. Fourth, computer aided design. Fifth, other than those given as options. The correct answer is fourth, computer aided design. That's all from this topic. Stay tuned. अगर वीडियो को पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू।